Yeah, this world is full of trouble. I won't pretend it ain't. I've had more than my share of struggle, more than enough to complain. Storms have rolled across my pathway. Skies have turned to gray. Thorns have cut me as I walked on, but even so I say, ain't it fine today? So what's the use of weeping, holding on to pain that's past? Why keep trouble breathing, dragging shadows from the past? We all taste our tribulation, a little water with our wine. Life ain't always celebration, but still this moment shines. Yeah, today is fine. The hurt from long ago, losing, gaining, taking, giving. Time will move the way it goes. Yesterday the clouds were heavy, darkness falling on my way. It may storm again tomorrow, it may rain, but hey, ain't it fine today? Let the past stay where it's fallen. Let tomorrow find its way. I'm choosing light, I'm choosing breathing, I'm choosing hope today. So what's the use of weeping when the sun breaks through at last? Why keep sorrow creeping from the corners of the past? We all walk through tribulation, but grace still meets us on the line. Life may not be celebration, but right here, right now, oh, today is fine. Yeah, it may rain tomorrow, but ain't it fine?